Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Sock Aid is probably one of the most helpful devices for people with limited mobility, arthritis, or other conditions that make bending and reaching difficult. In this video, we will review the top sock aids on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one to regain your independence and make getting dressed a little easier. Number 5. RMS Deluxe Sock Aid. Say goodbye to struggling with socks. This innovative device makes putting on your socks easier and more independent, perfect for daily use. It's designed with a flexible, contoured shell that's gentle on your hands and makes inserting socks a breeze. The soft foam handles provide a comfortable, non-slip grip. If bending down is difficult, it's the perfect solution. It's ideal for those recovering from surgery or with limited mobility, promoting independence in daily tasks. It works with many regular sock types, from ankle socks to knee-highs. Just make sure your foot width is 5 inches or less. The adjustable ropes allow you to customize the length to your preference, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit every time. It's 38 inches long overall. A slip-resistant foam pad prevents socks from sliding off during use, making the process smooth and efficient. What we like? It features a soft and flexible shell, perfect for those with weak hands. The comfortable grip handles make it easy to use. If you have weak hands or limited mobility, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This product worked exactly as stated, and I am so happy that this came out. I was dealing with sciatica pain and was not able to put on my socks without excruciating pain. Until I bought this dream product, now I can sew easy and pain-free. If like me you have trouble, for whatever reason, reaching down to one or both of your feet to put on socks without help from another person, this device is for you. It works. I no longer have to ask my wife to help with putting socks on my right foot due to a hip problem. This works flawlessly, an affordable solution to an awkward situation. This product works as advertised. At first I was worried that my shoe size 7 ankle socks wouldn't fit on the form, that they were too short and narrow, but they fit just fine. I followed the directions and it was super simple. Place your sock fully on the form, slip your foot inside the form and pull up. Works perfectly. Number 4. Vive Sock Aid. This innovative device makes putting on socks effortless. It's perfect for anyone with limited mobility or recovering from an injury. Simply slide it over your foot and heel. It gently pulls your sock on with ease. No more struggling. The 3 cm foam padding on the handles provides a comfortable and secure grip, making it easy to use. The wide, slip-resistant cuff prevents the sock from sliding off during application. It's designed for reliable assistance. With its 33-inch adjustable cords, you can customize it to your needs. The button adjusters make it simple to change the length. We're confident you'll love it. Purchase now with confidence knowing it's backed by our 60-day guarantee. What we like? This option boasts comfortable foam handles and a slip-resistant cuff to prevent accidents. The adjustable cord length caters to various heights. If you prioritize comfort and secure sock placement, this is ideal for you. What people say. Put the sock on the device and wiggle it with the attached ropes and it slowly moves your sock up your foot and then leg. If you cannot bend over to put socks on, then this is what you need. It's sturdy, easy to use, and does the job. Works great, just the right size for my size 12 feet, and built tough as nails. I was concerned that the neoprene part would wear, but after 2 years it's still pristine. It's the best easy-on sock slider I have used. Great tool. Number 3. Fanwer Sock Aid Tool. Putting on socks shouldn't be a struggle. This tool makes it easy, allowing you to maintain your independence and dignity. It's designed with your comfort in mind. The smooth inner layer and secure outer fabric make it simple and comfortable to use. Unlike plastic alternatives, it fits a wide range of foot sizes and is made from durable materials for long-lasting use. The extended handle minimizes bending, making it perfect for people with arthritis, back problems, or limited mobility. It's lightweight and easy to carry, so you can use it at home, while traveling, or even during rehabilitation. This simple tool helps maintain independence and improves quality of life for seniors, people with disabilities, and those recovering from surgery. What we like? It stands out with its wider foot size compatibility and durable build. The ergonomic design ensures ease of use. If you need a long-lasting and adaptable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for those of us whose knees don't work anymore. When I first saw it I was skeptical, but I will tell you it works perfectly for putting on socks. When you can't reach your feet to put your socks on after surgery, this tool is amazing and life-changing. Works a treat. Easy to fit the sock, slide the toes in, a gentle pull on the cords and sock slips on with the heel slid on perfectly. Number 2. RMS Sock Aid Kit. This kit makes putting on and taking off socks easier than ever. It's perfect for those with limited mobility. Its soft and flexible shell is designed for those with weak hand strength. Simply insert your sock and slide it on. The unique design helps you put on your socks quickly and easily, even if you have limited mobility. This tool is great for removing light to medium compression hosiery, regular socks, or stockings. It maximizes leverage for those with limited arm strength. It's designed to help you remove your socks without bending or straining. It's smooth and flexible, so socks slide off without snagging. It's perfect for those who have difficulty bending, recovering from surgery, or have limited mobility. Enjoy greater independence with this helpful kit. What we like. This kit includes both a sock aid and a remover, streamlining the entire process. Both pieces are smooth and flexible for easy use. If you need help putting on and taking off socks, this is a great option. Number 1. Mars Wellness Sock Aid. Putting on socks is now a breeze. Simply slip it over the plastic, slide your foot in, and pull it up using the cords. It features comfortable foam grip handles. This reduces strain and makes dressing easier. This helps prevent back, spine, or arm injuries from excessive pulling and stretching. It's perfect for seniors and anyone with limited mobility. The adjustable cords ensure a comfortable fit for people of all sizes and shapes. It easily adjusts to most heights. We stand behind our products, giving you confidence in your purchase. Try it risk-free and experience the difference. What we like. It's incredibly user-friendly, with comfortable foam handles and adjustable cords for a personalized fit. It minimizes injury risk. If ease of use and injury prevention are your top priorities, this is the one for you. What people say. Works as intended. Easy to use, good quality. This works perfectly. Just had surgery and cannot bend over. This allows me to put socks on and even helped with my shoes, but that was the exception. This is for help to put socks on, not shoes. Very easy and well worth the money. This item enables me to independently put my socks on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.